All right, so Brooks, you getting up on your chair? Let's start breakfast. So we're gonna have some toast with some peanut butter for the kids. Just some good old smooth peanut butter. And then Mom is having some Ezekiel bread. What are you doing? Don't do that. And then just some organic peanut butter. And of course, lots and lots and lots of cantaloupe.
That's honey.
That's not honey. Good boys. Look at your quick and easy breakfast. Ah, my toast's up. And here's my breakfast. Just some Ezekiel toast with some peanut butter and cantaloupe. That is kind of what we have, like the toast and stuff, like a to-go, we want to get out of the door type of day. It was really quick and easy, no mess when we came back home, which I really appreciate, because there's nothing worse than coming home and feeling really unmotivated to try and prep and cook something healthy to have lunch when you have to first clean and you're just starving. Because if there's one thing that I've learned is don't let myself get starving, because if I get starving, I'm just like, oh, I want something now. I want instant gratification, and it's usually junk food. This is my second time ever doing this. These are beets inside here, and I cooked them for actually last night's dinner, and I love them now. Like, oh, I love them, love them, love them. Backstory behind beets: if you don't like beets, don't mock it until you try it, because I spontaneously tried it last month cooking it myself because I was inspired. My husband and I had a random date night, a side dish to like our main entree, there was a thing of beets, and I was kind of like, ooh, why, what? And I tried it because I'm at this really nice restaurant, so why not? And it was phenomenal. So if you think you don't like beets, honestly, give them one more try, because I thought I didn't like them either, and now I'm obsessed. A nice simple salad with some beets and goat cheese and walnuts. That's it, so let's assemble it.
Guys, editing Julie here. Just wanted to say, while I'm editing, I'm starving all of a sudden, and that salad has never looked so good. Moving on to dinner, this one is absolutely one of my all-time favorite recipes. If you love buffalo wing sauce, you will love this recipe. I highly recommend it. video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys check out these recipes. They're so delicious and definitely low in calories. Please leave any comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.